Okay, everybody, welcome to an introduction to the California variation of craps. Okay, because California is kind of weird when it comes to casino games. All casino games must deal with cards. Now you have a couple of them, but this is the one that I'm most familiar with, where they have cards that are 1 through 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Randomly shuffled up and placed, right, in numerical order by the stick man from left to right. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now, what that is the dice roll, as you're going to see me do, right, is going to correspond with the placement of the card. So a 7 might not be a 7. You know, snake eyes might not be snake eyes. There are 719 other combinations in California craps that the cards place besides the original 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. For an example, just roll the dice, right? See, that's a 5 and a 4, right? A 5 and a 4 would be 4 and 5. That would be 10. Okay, and when the 7 out happens, I rolled 3, 3, which in this case would be hard 6. Right, if I roll any combination of dice, right, that total 7, like if I roll 1, 3, 1, 2, right, which would be 3 crappy dice. But in this case, it would be 7 out, and everything would be done. After you're 7 out, when the point is established, the stickman will take the cards, flip them over, shuffle them up at random, and then flip them at random with the same thing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What it would look like. I'm using generic cards. I'm not using like the casino cards because this is just a homemade makeshift thing I'm doing, right? And as I said before, there's 720 combinations that these 6 cards can make. How I got that is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. All right. So here I have the total of a 1 and 3. So this is 1, the first card, and this is the third card, which is a 6. Right? Not a 4, like the dice say. The first card plus the third card is what you rolled. Other than that, though, everything else is the same. The field, if you get a field bet on the cards, you win here. You roll a 7 or 11 here, you win here, right? You roll a 7 here. If the point is on, you win. If it's a 2 or 3 and the point is off, you win. Boxcars push so that the casino has an advantage. If you roll a 7 or a natural 11, you win here. If you roll a 7 and an 11, when the point is off, you lose here. Big 6, big 8, right? You can play this until you roll either a 6 or an 8, right? But chances are you're going to roll a 7 before you roll a 6 or an 8. It gives the house an advantage, but that's up to you if you want to play it or not. Same thing with the don't come. If the point is on, and you play it here, you roll 7 or 11, you lose. Boxcars push, a 2 or 3 wins. And if it's none of those, like if it's a 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, it goes right here in the don't come section, right? And what don't come is you roll any of these numbers, you're saying you're gonna roll 7 before any of these numbers hit. Same thing with the come. Actually, the come is just the opposite. If I roll a 6, right, and I place a combat, the combat moves over to the 6, right? I'm saying a 6 will roll before a 7. All right. Other than the complexity of it, you got, and there's lots of videos on YouTube that go out there and describe it over there. You have four people at the craps table that work over there. You have the dealers, right? One of them will be on this side. The other one will be this side. The boxman will be in the middle. Sometimes, right, the boxman will be flashing the cards. Sometimes the cards will be here. Sometimes the cards will be here. And the stickman, if the card's over here, the stickman that's standing here, right, will be in charge of the random shuffle and telling everybody what the roll really is. And he's also in charge of these, right? He tells whatever dealer, like if I roll the hard 6, he'll click and like, hey, $10 if I put $1 here, $10, right? And that bet would come up, go down. All right, that's just the basics of it. Basics of it. You roll it. There you go. See? Stickman will say, okay, I roll the 1 and a 5. That's a yo 11. Right? If the point is off, the pass line wins. Don't pass loses. This wins. Points off, you don't need to make a comeback. Alright, and I think that deals the gist of this. And before you leave comments over there going, oh, this isn't a real crab game or something, hey, this is a makeshift thing. I'm limited on room and space, so please forgive me if this bothers you.